Have you ever wondered what weapons turned the tide in the deadliest conflict in history, arming soldiers from bustling American factories to remote Siberian outposts? Join us as we uncover the iconic rifles of World War II, revealing how these steel guardians shaped battles, saved lives, and forged legends that still echo today. Stick around, because you won't believe the ingenuity and firepower behind them. United States. The M1 Garand, the standard-issue semi-automatic rifle for American GIs, firing .306 Springfield rounds from an 8-round N-block clip. It allowed rapid follow-up shots without manual reloading after each trigger pull, giving U.S. troops a huge firepower advantage in battles like Normandy and the Pacific. Called the greatest battle implement ever devised by General Patton. The M1903 Springfield, a reliable bolt-action rifle in .306 Springfield, known for excellent accuracy up to 800 yards. It served as a sniper weapon and backup, especially early in the war and with Marines in places like Guadalcanal. The M1 Carbine, lightweight semi-automatic carbine using .30 carbine rounds from 15 or 30-round magazines, perfect for support troops, paratroopers, and officers in close-quarters jungle fighting, though it lacked long-range stopping power. The M1917 Enfield, a robust .306 Enfield bolt-action based on British designs, used in training and early combat for its reliability in tough conditions. The M1941 Johnson, rare semi-automatic with a 10-round rotary magazine, issued briefly to some Marines, innovative but limited by low production. United Kingdom and Commonwealth. The Lee-Enfield No. 1 Mark III Asterisk, bolt action in .303 British with a smooth action and 10-round magazine, allowing incredibly fast firing. A favorite for British, Canadian, Australian, and Indian troops in deserts, jungles, and Europe. The Lee-Enfield No. 4 Mark I, improved version with better sights and accuracy, the late war standard and a sniper go-to during D-Day and beyond. The Lee-Enfield No. 5 Mark I, jungle carbine, shortened variant for Pacific jungle warfare, highly maneuverable. Pattern 1914 Enfield, precise .303 bolt action, used by Home Guard and some forces. Ross rifle, Canada, early war, straight pull bolt action that jammed in mud, quickly replaced by Lee-Enfields. Germany. Karabiner 98K, K98K, the main bolt-action rifle in 7.92 by 57 mm Mauser, accurate and rugged but slow in close combat, armed the Wehrmacht from Poland to Stalingrad. Sturmgewehr 44, STG-44, the world's first true assault rifle, firing 7.92 by 33 mm quartz from 30-round magazines with select fire capability, a game-changer in late-war fights and inspiration for the AK-47. Gewehr 43, G43, semi-automatic in 7.92 mm with 10-round detachable magazine, reliable boost for late-war troops, but plagued by shortages. Gewehr 41, G41, early semi-auto attempt, limited by complex mechanics and fouling issues. Volkssturmgewehr, crude late-war desperation rifles for civilian militias, poor quality. Soviet Union. Mosin-Nagant M1891/30, tough bolt action in 7.62 by 54 mm R, simple and durable in extreme cold, the Red Army's backbone from Moscow to Berlin, great with a bayonet. SVT-40, semi-automatic version for elite units, fast-firing but dirt-sensitive. Mosin-Nagant M1938/M1944 carbines, shorter versions for mobility, used by partisans and cavalry. Japan. Arisaka Type 99, bolt action in powerful 7.7 by 58 mm, improved stopping power for Pacific Islands, though late war versions suffered from shortcuts. Arisaka Type 38, earlier 6.5 by 50 mm version with smooth action and low recoil, widely used but light around. Type 44 carbine, compact with folding bayonet, ideal for cavalry and jungle. Italy. Carcano M1891 series, lightweight bolt action in 6.5 by 52 mm, with a 6-round clip, used in Africa and the East, criticized for weak ammo and accuracy. M1938 short rifle, adapted variant for various theaters. Armaguerra Mod 39, rare semi-automatic, barely fielded. France. MAS-36, modern bolt action in 7.5 by 54 mm, tough and reliable for Free French forces post-1940. Lebel Model 1886, outdated tube magazine bolt action, used in 1940 despite slow reloading.
Berthier rifles, e.g. M1907/15, carbines with fast clip loading for colonial troops. These rifles defined the war's infantry battles, blending innovation, reliability, and sometimes desperation across the globe.